Your body could be silently sabotaging your own manhood. It's a microscopic battle happening inside you right now that determines your strength, your drive, your very essence. And you might be losing. According to research published by the National Institutes of Health, a simple deficiency can cause a catastrophic hormonal collapse. This isn't a rare disease. It's a hidden vulnerability in modern men. And the evidence is chilling. Zinc, you've heard of it, but you don't know its power. A massive 2023 systematic review analyzing 38 separate studies confirmed a direct, positive correlation. More zinc, more testosterone, less zinc, a hormonal nosedive. It acts as a critical key, unlocking the very enzymes that synthesize testosterone in the testes. Without that key, the entire production line grinds to a halt. Your hormonal factory goes dark. The proof is terrifyingly clear. A landmark 1996 study published in Nutrition put this to the test. They took healthy young men with peak testosterone levels around 39.9 mmol. Then, they deliberately restricted their zinc intake for 20 weeks. The result was a biological train wreck. Their testosterone didn't just dip, it plummeted. It crashed down to 10.6 nmol. That's a 73% drop. They chemically induced a state of hormonal failure just by removing one single mineral. But the same study offered a stunning reversal. They found a group of elderly men who were already marginally zinc deficient. Their testosterone was low, languishing at just 8.3 nmol. For 6 months, scientists gave them a simple zinc supplement. The results were nothing short of miraculous. Their serum testosterone nearly doubled, soaring to 16.2 nmol. They effectively turned back the hormonal clock. They restarted the factory. This wasn't a magic pill. It was targeted biological restoration. The damage goes deeper than just one hormone. Zinc deficiency is directly linked to hypogonadism, a condition where the testes fail to function properly. This cripples not just testosterone production, but also sperm quality and count. It creates a domino effect. Low zinc also disrupts thyroid hormones, which are essential partners in regulating your body's metabolism and energy. When the thyroid falters, it indirectly drags testosterone down even further. It's a cascade of systemic failure, all starting with one missing piece. So what is the final verdict? The science is undeniable. Zinc is not just a supplement. It is a fundamental regulator of male hormonal health. For men who are deficient, restoring zinc levels is one of the most powerful ways to support natural testosterone production. The effect is most profound in those who are starting from a deficit. If your levels are already normal, more zinc won't supercharge you. But if you are deficient, it can be the intervention that changes everything. The power to restore your natural balance is within reach. You just have to know where to look. Now,